several posters are stuck in bus stop, which is right opposite to Lulu Mall here near Rajaji Nagar in Bengaluru, accusing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar of allegedly being a pimp by several miscreants. You know, just yesterday, Devaraje Gowda, who is a BJP defeated candidate from Hole Narsipura, he accused Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar of being involved in the video leak pertaining to Prajwal Revanna's sex gate. And now, the very next day, some miscreants have stuck several posters right in bus stops in this prime area called Rajaji Nagar, accusing the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of allegedly supplying girls. And they've also called them as a pimp. You know, I'm just going to read what it says. ಹುಡುಗಿಯರನ್ನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವವರು pimp. ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡುವವರು pimp, which, you know, just translates to those who supply girls or those who those who sell women are known as pimp. And there you can see the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister's photo. The police have reached the spot as we speak. They're trying to remove down the posters that is being stuck in several bus stops over here. We need to wait and watch what legal course of action they are going to do, and the miscreants who stuck these posters are yet to be identified. However, to Devaraje Gowda's allegation that DK is involved in the video leak, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has categorically denied it, stating that this is all political vendetta and that he had nothing to do with it. Protest has broken out here in JDS office by JDS workers. They are demanding for the immediate arrest of D.K. Shivkumar. Just yesterday, Devaraje Gowda had made a scathing allegation against the Deputy Chief Minister, accusing him of having his hand in the video leak. Just yesterday, Devaraje Gowda had also accused D.K. Shivkumar of sending one of his close aides to come to some sort of a compromise with Devaraje Gowda in the backdrop of Prajwal Revanna's alleged sex video release. And now all the JDS workers, they've come here outside JDS office demanding for arrest of D.K. Shivkumar at the earliest. They're also alleging that Prajwal Revanna prakaranadalli D.K. Shivkumar na ilisi avara padaviinda. That's the kind of demand that is coming, which is demanding that D.K. Shivkumar should immediately be arrested for his alleged role in the video leak. That's what the JDS workers are also alleging. And as you can see, the JDS workers, there is a fight, there's a scuffle happening between the cops and the JDS workers. The cops are trying their level best to contain the protest that is happening, but the JDS workers, they've taken to the streets right in the main road, which is very close to the JDS office, demanding for immediate arrest of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಪರಾಧಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅನುಮಾನ ಬೇಡ. ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡೋ ತನಕ ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
They are saying that unless and until D.K. Shivkumar resigns from his post, they are not going to stop their protest, and they are going to continue is what they are saying. You know, just ahead of Kumaraswamy's press meet, the JDS workers took to the streets.
इन्होंने औरतों की बेइज्जती की है. हमारे पूर्व जो देवेगौड़ा जी हैं, इनकी बेइज्जती की है. तो इसके हिसाब से पूरी इनकी सियासत बिल्कुल बेकार है, गिरी हुई थर्ड क्लास है. इनके खिलाफ हम लोग आवाज उठा रहे हैं, छोड़ेंगे नहीं. ये जो भी प्लानिंग इनकी है, आने वाले दिनों में हम इनकी धज्जियां उड़ा देंगे.
एलिगेशन क्या है D.K. शिवकुमार के खिलाफ? आपका एलिगेशन क्या है?
एलिगेशन ये है कि आज जो भी हुआ है इसमें सब इनका ही हाथ है, दूसरों का किसी का हाथ नहीं है. इन्हीं का हाथ है. जानबूझकर की हुई साजिश है ये. साजिश है ये इनको बदनाम करने की, जेडीएस पार्टी को, देवेगौड़ा जी को, कुमारस्वामी जी को बदनाम करने की है, खत्म करने का आइडिया है बस।
So that's one of the JDS workers. They're alleging political vendetta. They're saying that this entire thing about Prajwal Revanna is being cooked up in order to finish the Gowda family is what the JDS workers are alleging. And as we speak, the SIT probe is underway. In just a matter of days, the truth will come out as to who's really guilty and if really Prajwal Revanna and HT Revanna are guilty or not. But still, Prajwal Revanna is currently absconding. Blue corner notice has been issued at all immigration points. But the sitting parliamentarian has just shamefully absconded, not willing to present himself in front of the SIT. The truth will prevail in just a matter of days, is what the state government is saying.